Good morning, all of you. I am talking about Unity of Statue. Statue of Unity is a monument dedicated to our national leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is located from a distance 3.2 km from Sarwa Dam. The area of this monument is 20,000 square meter. This is surrounded of an artificial lake that has an area of 12 square meter. The height of statue 182 meter. The memorial is the highest statue of the world. This monument advertised in 2010. Statue was designed by Ram V. Suthar. The construction by started on 3rd October 2013 and it was complete October 2018. Thank you.